Hello people of the universe, this is Kaboom Princess Gaming! Yeah. And this is my new lawnmower, and we're going to be reviewing it / running it and showcasing it. So it's got tons of features and everything, so I guess the first thing is to start it. What'd you say? I've started the mower. Now when you pull this, the thing drives. It drives itself. So I do this and I pull. That's all I have to do. And you see this flapping around? When it's full, it says stop. With this lawnmower, you also have a mulching system. Come here, I'll show you. You got a mulching thing that plugs here, and it chucks around sticks and everything, and it mulches it. And you've got a great capacity. And this is first try. Every time you pull it, it starts, and it's really handy. It's probably the best lawnmower you can get. So, see ya.